Hi, this is your Professor David Lane. Today we want to go over week 3 and what is required. And what we're going to want to do here is you've wanted to finish, of course, week 1, which had 2 books, week 2, which was over natural philosophy and physics. And now we're into week 3, which is an important week because the midterm will be due at the end of this week. This is on biological philosophy and evolutionary thinking. And in this particular case, there's only one book for the week called The DNA of Consciousness, which explains the theory of evolution with a very simple acronym called VISITED: variation, inheritance, selection, including time, equals design. There's even a movie we made on it right here called Evolution Explained in 4 Minutes. So you're going to want to read this book. Again, it's very cheap off Amazon, or read the PDF version. For extra credit, there's a book called Cosmic Creationism, which explains the difference between intelligent design and Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection. There's a number of films helping to explain the theory of evolution in a very simple way, because a lot of times people just misunderstand the theory. Because once you understand evolution and its implications, it's not as controversial as everybody makes it out to be. These films range from Pivotal Consciousness, Darwin's DNA, Charles Darwin, the Darwin-Wallace debate, genetic connection, the magic of evolution, and the evolutionary imperative. So what you're going to want to do then, of course, is respond to these 2 questions. Why is the theory of evolution so important in understanding how human beings behave? And number 2, which questions do you think evolutionary theory cannot answer? This allows you to kind of ruminate and contemplate the implications of the theory of evolution as developed by Darwin and Wallace back in the 1850s. You're going to want to post these on the class forum, and you're also going to want to keep a copy of the same on your website. You may also want to get into responding to other people's essays, since I have a feeling there's going to be lots of different views on this subject. Again, finished by Sunday night, as I mentioned. And at the end of this, you'll see that the midterm is due. Now, I've already posted the midterm here. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the midterm and you're going to respond. It's essay questions, and you're going to put this on your website. You can do it as a Word document or as a PDF document, but make certain that you attach it to your website. Then, before January or on January 25th, you're going to email me at dlanemountsac.edu a link to your website, which will have your test on it. I will then respond to you within 48 hours. If your test is insufficient, I will give you a chance to redo it. However, I think if you spend the time on it, you should do quite well. Good luck on that, and I'll talk to you next week. Thank you.